Hey Alan, it's Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go over your online presence and see ways that we can increase it to get you even more customers. Starting with your website here, you'll have some great call to actions. Anywhere that anyone landing on your site can click to call, fill out a form, chat with you, that will really help turn those people into leads. You guys have a great looking site here. I would recommend adding content. Google has crawlers and they crawl the internet 24/7, and they look through all of the content on your site, and that even includes what your photos are saved as before they are uploaded to the website, looking for keywords and to see if you're providing value to your reader. So a good rule of thumb would be to have at least 1,500 words on your homepage. That does also depend on your competitors because we do want to outdo them. And then having those keywords embedded throughout. One example of a keyword is foundation repair Fort Worth. Anywhere or anything that is being searched into this Google search bar, that's what's called a keyword. And if we scroll down here, the first thing that's populating are some ads. They have the Google guaranteed ads, and then there are just normal Google ads here. And ads are definitely a good tool. It's something that you guys could consider for yourself to increase your business. And if we scroll down here, this is the Google Map Pack section. 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. We can see that someone is running an ad to be on this first page here of this as well. And you want to be in the top 3 because the top 3 get a lot of that 30 to 40%. And how do you beat your competitors here? Well, the first step would be to have a Google business profile, which you all do have here, so that's great. And then the next step would be to completely optimize it. And you completely optimize this by adding geotagged photos, consistently adding 5-star reviews, making sure everything is completely filled out and accurate. And then you would want to add 750 characters worth here. So you would want to add more information here about your business, add in a few keywords sprinkled throughout there. It allows 750 characters. You want to try and meet that as much as possible. And then the most time consuming are what's called citations. And a citation is your business name, address, and phone number in other places like Yelp. So you want to make sure that you are beating these other businesses here with the local directories. You'd want to be in more local directories than they are. And if we scroll down here, this is the organic listing. The remainder of that 60 to 70% of business goes into this organic listing. And this is where your website is ranking. There's another ad at the bottom of the first page. And so here we are at the bottom of the first page. It is really good that you guys are on the first page here because over 90% of people will stay on the first page. You do want to be as high up on the first page as possible. The top 3 spots get the majority of that 60 to 70%. And if we take a look at the #1 ranking business for this keyword, we can see that they also have some good call to action buttons. If we quickly scroll through here, it would be easy to outdo them with content. So let's take a look at the back end, starting with your competitor. I have their website plugged into Ahrefs here, and we will take a look at some ratings pulled from Google data. The UR and the DR, this is the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. They have 46 and 43. What makes up their ratings here are the over 8,000 backlinks that they have. And these backlinks are coming from just over 1,500 referring domains. What a backlink is, it's one website linking to another one, like a shout out. And it's important to be intentional when choosing backlinks because not all backlinks are the same. Google does pay attention to the quality of the backlink as well as the relevancy of the backlink to your industry. And so that plays a key part in ranking as well. Google will take a look at the individual backlinks. And so you want to make sure that you're getting high quality ones to boost these numbers and not spammy ones because then these numbers will go down. And then they have 8,900 keywords on their site and over 6,000 monthly traffic to their site. And if we go take a look at your site here, I have your website plugged in. You'll have 27 and 5 coming from over 1,500 backlinks from 94 referring domains. You have 366 keywords on your site with 333 monthly traffic here. So what we would want to do here is we'd want to boost you higher up on that first page of Google and get you to the first page of Google for all your keywords. And so what we would do is get high quality backlinks to your site so that we are boosting the UR and the DR above your competitors, and then adding buyer intent keywords to your site so that you are being found for what you would want to be found for. The reason I stress buyer intent is because we want to have quality, qualified leads, and so we want to qualify them from the beginning. One way to get high quality backlinks would be called the copycat method. We can go into what your competitors have here and then link those to your site as well, because if it is working for them to be showing up on the first page, it would work for you. And then the next thing we'd want to do is an extensive research for all the good options for buyer intent keywords. So we can take a look at what all of your competitors have on their site and what they are ranking for, but we'd also want to take it a step further, and we'd want to just search, because usually the competitors are missing some good quality keywords as well. So with a quick search here, we can see foundation repair Fort Worth. 450 people are searching for this every single month. Fort Worth foundation repair 80, 40. And so we'd want to do this search extensively and find all of the keywords that apply to you. We can see here that there are hundreds of people searching for this here, and we just started to scratch the surface. So a quick recap for your Google business profile. You would want this completely optimized to get your share of that 30 to 40%. So add geotagged photos, 5-star reviews, citations, and fill this out completely. And for your website, we would want you ranking in the top 3 spots on the first page, as well as on the first page for all of your keywords. And we'd want to add quality content to your website so that we can support those buyer intent keywords, as well as high quality backlinks. And then that way you are being boosted to the top of the first page of Google and being found for what you'd want to be found for with quality leads. And I hope that this video was helpful. I look forward to hearing from you, and I do appreciate you taking the time to watch. Thank you.